We are pleased to show you the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, USB connection, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.